Hi, my name is Ilyana Zakaria. I'm the mother of Kaiser, who's been studying here for a year and he's 4 years old. I'm actually very excited. I'm looking forward to come to the showcase because I feel like I need to see what my son has been learning so far. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm actually quite impressed because previously he could not really hold the pen properly, but looking at his artwork, I'm actually quite impressed and touched.
我是 Angeline， 我是凯乐的妈咪 ，Nursery 2 的。我孩子2岁10个月就来约老师了，整个活动的氛围是很温馨的。为什么我们会选择来这个 environment 哦？因为老师我觉得是最重要的啦，老师很和蔼可亲，然后他们是真心对孩子很真心、很真诚的。 That's why even though 他们不是做很多东西 ，they even do a very simple thing， 就好像简单的activity，一个买卖啊。虽然在大人眼中这东西很简单，但这些小孩哦，这是不是一个很简单的事情？他们是 in the way you pay the money to buy their artwork 哦，他们很 proud of it 的。这个东西哦，是种在他们心里哦，很美好的回忆来的。很简单一个东西哦，可是它带出来的意义是很大的，对一个这么小的孩子，所以我是感触很多。 如果我是那个孩子哦，我会很开心的，就是爸爸妈妈给我的信任来的，愿意拿钱来买我的 artwork， 我觉得这个是很棒的事情。我觉得哦，每个孩子的 artwork 都很美哎，不是我孩子而已，我不知道老师怎么去教他们做这事情啦。可是哦，不是他们4岁孩子做的 artwork 啦。
I'm Xiaoyi, I'm Kyla's mother. This is the second year I'm with the school. I'm very impressed with the amount of effort that the teachers have put in to make all this entire program so wonderful that we are so impressed and just unbelievable. Like when you see all the artworks, it's just unbelievable. Like you never thought that this would be done by kids from kindergarten 1, kindergarten 2, and I think the amount of effort the teacher has put in to make this program so enjoyable, I think is to be much appreciated. My child one is very artistic. He drew a tree, but there were no leaves on the tree. There are grasses on the floor. So initially the first glance when I saw the picture, I just thought I saw a tree, but actually I didn't notice there is grass at the bottom. So after a second look, only I realized, oh.
I'm teacher Jocelyn, the principal of Yerosho Creative Preschool, Wisma Seri Pitali. Our preparations is quite simple, but of course we put a lot of effort, putting the decor and also the preparations for the students, those doing the craft. Actually, this is done by kids, so we really bring it out, creativity from our children. Actually, it's overwhelming. Parents really appreciate what the students done. It might not be very same like what those experts are really doing, but you can see that it really come out the creativity of our students, that although there's a meaning behind of their drawings. I'm very happy for the result for our kids' works, and really can see that very happy, and also they really convince the parents to buy what they have done. And also for the parents, I really thank them since the beginning. They are very cooperative, they're really appreciative, and can see the really good feedback from them that what we are doing is really helping our students to be more creative, and at the same time kids are really an artist in their own unique way. Last but not the least, I want to thank all our teachers that's working behind the scene, and you know that they're very creative as well, and they really work beyond time to be able to have a successful event like this. I also want to give thanks for all the participants and all the crews that on the ground. They are very supportive and also taking all the scene, captured it. I also want to thank everyone that helping this event successful. Crew, all the visitors taking part of this event to make it successful.